Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. Today I have an exciting video lineup for all the beginners out there who are looking to buy a new laptop. I understand that the process can be overwhelming, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to guide you through essential steps to help you make an informed decision. So without wasting time, let's dive right into the laptop buying guide for beginners. So before starting the video, I have compiled a list of best laptops, whether you are a student or you are a professional. So I have compiled a top of the line list for the laptops. You can check it out in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The first and most crucial step in buying a laptop is determining your needs. Are you a student needing a laptop for assignments, or a creative professional editing videos, or do you need a laptop for your heavy workload, or maybe you are a gamer looking for the gaming laptop? Understanding your usage will help you narrow down your options. Once you have narrowed down your options, next let's talk about the operating system. There are three main options: Windows, Mac OS and Chrome OS. Windows is versatile, Mac OS is known for its sleek design, and Chrome OS is lightweight and web focused. Choose one that aligns with your preferences and requirements. Once done, let's move to the step number 3. Now let's get into the specs you need to consider. The processor or CPU, RAM, storage and graphics card are vital components. For everyday use, an Intel Core i5 or Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 or 7 processor with 8GB of RAM and 256GB SSD should be enough. But if you are into the gaming or heavy video editing work, consider a more robust setup with a dedicated GPU and higher RAM. Once you have choose your specification, let's move to the next step. Moving on, consider the display, keyboard and touchpad. Look for a laptop with a full HD display and a comfortable keyboard with backlighting. A responsive touchpad is also essential for smooth navigation. Move to the next important step, that is the battery life. Battery life is critical, especially if you plan to use your laptop on the go. The laptop at least 8 hours of battery life is considered as good. Also check the ports, USB, HDMI and more. Having the right ports ensures you can connect your laptop to various devices. Laptop made from durable material like aluminum and magnesium alloy tends to last longer. Set a budget based on your requirements and try to get the best specification within that range. Alright, let's move to the next point. So before making a final decision, research the brand reputation and read reviews from reliable sources. Excellent customer support and positive user experience are strong indicators of the reliable laptop. So that's it guys, my comprehensive laptop buying guide for beginners. Remember to take your time to research, compare options and consider your needs carefully. I have already compiled the list of best laptops based on different parameters. You can check it out, that list in the description. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more tech related reviews. Thanks for watching and happy laptop hunting. See you, bye bye.